इसको देख के my first reaction was कि गए मेरे पैसे. The 2-finger sunscreen rule, I think it doesn't make sense. Wish I started this sooner. This is like 100 hours worth of moisture, which I don't need. Every time I do this on my skin, मेरे nails में गंदगी आ जाती है. I have this horrible habit of peeling my lips in the winter. Actually काम करता है. I didn't expect it. Hi, welcome to Nykaa TV. I'm Hailey Wade and I know if we'll be 100% honest in this thandi si weather, every time we do this, अपने हाथ पे छोटे छोटे से white heads and all the yucky, dry, flaky stuff keeps coming and nobody likes that. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate winter skincare routine because even I want that chilly, glowy Pahadan glow even though I live in a very polluted and very confused city like Mumbai जहाँ पे एक दिन गर्मी और एक दिन ठंडी होती रहती है. Let's go. Bathrobe पहन के अपने आप I feel so relaxed. Cutesy bows to keep all the hair out of the face. Starting off with brutal honesty, I don't do makeup every day. I know if I do makeup मुझे मेकअप निकालना पड़ेगा, फेस वॉश भी दो बार करना पड़ेगा सुबह और शाम को. सो but because of the dryness my skin is just flaky, pores are enlarged and that's why I prefer double cleansing. I start with Solvaso's gentle cleansing oil. Now this doesn't look like an oil, right? And it doesn't feel like an oil also. It's literally invisible but it works so well. Forehead पे circular motions, then nose, then cheeks and lukewarm water. So this is my cheat sheet कि if I'm not in the state to do like a face wash, this can do because इसको गर्म पानी से ही धोना होता है. No, but especially even if I've done makeup, even waterproof makeup पे this works like magic. इसको देख के my first reaction was कि गए मेरे पैसे because this is invisible in the bottle and on my hands. Where is the product? But results always speak louder than the package. Okay, I'll wash this and come. बहुत बातें हो गई. Let's move on to the face wash. And for that I use the ordinary Glucoside foaming cleanser. Now until I get a good lather, I don't get the satisfaction face wash करने का. And this particular face wash has glycolic acid. Now I want all the dullness and pigmentation gone in a month because एक महीने में I'm getting married. So this is my face wash that I love because it's very gentle. It doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. After we wash the face, I know you know that feeling, especially in winters. So this face wash is just super good. Every time I do these two steps, I just feel like my skin can breathe so much better. As a bride to be, thoda extra effort I'm putting in, which I usually don't do, but I want my dark circles to also be at the minimum. So Pixie's Detoxify Depuffing Eye Patches have been a savior. It's packaged so hygienically with the spatula. I keep forgetting what is the correct way to apply it, कि मोटा part बाहर आता है अंदर. So I've saved the box and I always double check with the photo कि सही लगा है. This has cucumber and gold for cooling, लेकिन the hyaluronic acid and caffeine helps in depuffing immensely. The first time I applied, I was like, ये actually काम करता है? I didn't expect it. No, but also इसको ना 10 minutes रखना होता है. So many times I've stepped out of the house looking like this, and once I was driving my car day before yesterday की बात है, and so many people would turn and be like, what is this girl doing? But anything for that glow. Am I right? Now while this sits, let's do the lip oil because इतना भी patience नहीं है. I love the Clarins lip oil because it's just so rich, but it doesn't feel like anything on the lips. This is in the shade 01 Honey. इसका मोटा bond is amazing because one swipe में it covers the whole lip. Best part is इसमें 90% से ज़्यादा natural ingredients है, like jojoba, hazelnut, rosehip star oil भी है इसमें. And lip barrier strengthening is one of the biggest benefits because I have this horrible habit of peeling my lips in the winter. The minute the weather changes, my lips start to crack and then I have to remove it. And then I get patches like this. Tell me I'm not the only one who does this. Time's up for these. Oh my god. इतना ठंडा ठंडा लगता है. I have a lot of open pores and blackheads and whiteheads अभी. Every time I do this on my skin, मेरे nails में गंदगी आ जाती है. So my Holy Grail combo is salicylic acid with hyaluronic acid. They're both from The Ordinary. I always do it थोड़ा दूर से, 3 drops maximum because this is 2% salicylic acid. It's been 11 to 12 days that I've started using this. Pores minimized तो हुए, but I wish I started this sooner because then शादी तक I would have had like very tight and very probably much cleaner skin. I put a lot around my nose because my nose, my chin and my forehead, these 3 areas get the most amount of blackheads. You want to see? That is why. But the ordinary formulations are just so reliable and stable that even when I'm trying a new ingredient like this, I don't have to worry about the source or like how strong it is. Pura instruction is always on the bottle, on the packaging. So I just really like the Ordinary K serums. Okay, now it's been 30 seconds. We're gonna go in with hyaluronic acid. This is also 2%, but this has B5 in it as well. Hyaluronic, I just tap it in. I don't like spread it. I just tap it in tiny little thappads. And then I moisturize with Clinique Moisture Surge because salicylic acid actually makes your skin more thirsty. So hyaluronic acid to lagaye, but this is like 100 hours worth of moisture, which I don't need because I wash my face every day. So हर 24 घंटे में face तो धुलता ही है. But this just has intense hydration and it's very lightweight. और इस पे makeup भी चल जाता है. So I can continue using this during my wedding too. Is it even a skincare routine if we don't make such weird faces while applying moisturizer? And lastly, because we're using such active ingredients like salicylic acid and glycolic acid in the face wash, sunscreen cannot be skipped because these ingredients can make the skin थोड़ा सा photosensitive from the sunlight. And because मुझे makeup करने में आलस आता है in winters, I like a tinted sunscreen and जिसमें ना glow भी बहुत अच्छा मिल जाता है. The 2-finger sunscreen rule, I think it doesn't make sense because एक साथ 2 fingers worth just like clumps everything. I take उतना ही but in smaller amounts so that it gets absorbed properly. This way whatever area is left out, I can actually cover that. Don't forget the neck. This is SPF 50 PA++++, so it's not like a compromise product because of the tint. It's perfect. And we're done. Listen, I know you're feeling lazy and you're probably bundled up in your rajai right now, but ऐसे glow के लिए 10 minute तो बनता है for like a skincare routine. All the products I used are tagged right here so you can find them very easily. They're also available on Nykaa. Make sure to like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to Nykaa TV for more such amazing videos. Until then, goodbye.
Download the Nykaa app to shop for all the products in this video and lots more.